Greetings, everyone. I'm just going to answer a few questions because many people are just wondering, how do you know when to buy and sell a stock? So, is there a formula for this? And my answer to you is there is no formula and there is no right or wrong answer. It depends on a couple of things. Okay, here we go. So, first things first, how much money have you got? Are you willing to risk, what you have for profit or for a loss? So you shouldn't just think that it's just profit all the time. So you need to know your fundamentals. I'll go back to basics. This is how you know when to buy a stock, because unless if you got inside information of which, it's not allowed, so you can't do that. And so you need to know your fundamentals. You need to research, read more about what's happening in turn. And then, of course, you need to look at your charts. Your technical analysis is very important. So have you looked at your charts yet? And then if you've done all these things, you've done your research, have a plan in place, you have a strategy, then you can start buying and selling the shares. And then hopefully you should see some profit and some loss. And if you break even, yes, you can take your money, and always remember to bank. So do not do any of these things until you've read and you've got a plan and a strategy in place. You look at your charts and you've done enough research, because bear in mind that everybody else is trying to do their research here. So there is no room to be, room for complacency. So you need to actually read. So that's my best advice to you. So unless if you're an insider, as I said. And if you look at these charts, for example, you can easily see when you're supposed to have got in quite low, sold high there, all those red candles. So you could have sold. So which chart is that one? I think that's an FFG chart on the ASX. Another example is Crow. Crow here, you had an opportunity to get in at 0.008 at 1 cent. You could have sold this easily 18 cents, 19 cents, 17 cents. So now it's back to 0.078. So this is how you know when to get in, to get out, know your charts, and read, because everybody's reading. So just do your own research. So anyway, thank you very much. So remember to do your research, to read, reflect, rinse, repeat. Keep doing what you're doing until you find the best strategy that works for you. But don't lose too much money in this, because you can easily lose your money. So just trade carefully and protect your profits. Thank you.